Hello guys, this is Tech4. Today we are going to unbox a TV box, Mecool KM9. I love this box. Personally speaking, it's the best box you can buy at this price range. Okay, I'll talk about specs later. Now open the box. The user manual. Nobody will read this. That's the box. Okay, let's peel off this. Well, it got a little weight on it, not like other cheap box. Okay, that's a audio port and AV port, a Ethernet, HDMI, power, USB 2.0, 3.0 TF card. Okay, that's about it. It's pretty clean. Nice box. Okay, let's check out the other stuff in the box. A normal power adapter. That's quite normal. HDMI cable. That's nice. A remote. Okay, let's check it out. That's it. Nothing in the case. Okay, let's open the package. Well, as you can see, that's a power button, Google Voice, volume up and down, backwards, home, menu. Okay, pretty normal stuff. Decent remote. It feels nice. Okay. 2 AA batteries, normal stuff. Okay, that's about it. Let's talk about the specs. Okay, let's talk about the specs. It has 4GB LPDDR4 RAM and plus 32GB storage for $50. I actually don't know how they can make money on this. They use Amlogic S905X2 quad-core CPU. It's built in 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1. Oh, okay. I would like to mention it. This Ethernet port is 100 megabytes, not a gigabyte port. Please know that. Okay, let's continue. I would definitely recommend this box to you guys. It's cheap, supports 4K HDR, and with a decent storage. At $50 price range, it's even better than the Mi box. Okay, except that I heard this box supports Netflix and YouTube both in 4K. I haven't tested, but I will give it a try in part 2. So the full specs will be in my description and on my website. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope I will make more videos for you. And if you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe on my channel. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.